Gang, as you see, gang, price broke this trend line, 0.618. We had this trend line from 0.618 all the way up to 0.786. After we seen price on February 17th, make a lower low from the high, price will make some type of candlestick pattern. We also see an even star pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick, just like we see an even star pattern here, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick, and then a downtrend, and we see a lower low all the way down to 0.618. Our Fibonacci's are already on here. We have our take profit levels already on here, and price made a lower low to 0.618. This is on an hour chart. So it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours, like 10 hours for price to break this trend line, and we knew price was retracing back to 0.786 Fibonacci as once price makes a lower low, it'll make a lower high and retrace back to 0.786 before making a lower low back down, and it broke this trend line, and going past 0.618 going to 0.5, 0.382, 0, and then 27 extension gain. Price should get all the way down to 27 extension. And depending on your lot size, you could be up a couple hundred, couple thousand, a couple $100,000, easily, depending on your lot size and how much money you have in the account. You could be up 70,000 right now. You could be up a couple hundred depending on how much money you have in your account, gang. So price is going down, gold is going down, and we have to have a well thought trading strategy. As in Forex you can lose trades as well. Losing trades come. Losing trades come no matter how much you prepare. But we have to prepare for everything before we just even get in this trade. We have to be focused and analyze the chart, draw our Fibonacci. We have our trend line from 0.618 to 0.786. Once price breaks this trend line, price retested all the way back to 0.786. Showed us some type of candlestick pattern at 0.876. 0.786 showed us some type of candlestick pattern. Showed us a yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick, even star pattern. This is our even star pattern, and it broke this trend line from 0.618 all the way to 0.786 Fibonacci. It broke this trend line, that we have, and now we're in a downtrend. So the more that we practice, and the more that we practice on trading, we'll develop trading skills, and it'll be easier for us to trade, and we'll have more confidence, to trade, and we'll feel more confidence and more easier to trade. And it's easier said than done. It won't come without a lot of hard work. But we must prepare and make sure that we prepare and do everything that we can. Prepare all that we can and focus on that. And the money will follow. We have to analyze the charts. We have to check the fundamental news. We have to not risk too much money. These things are especially important when it comes to trading and practicing on being disciplined and staying focused. On every trade. Every trade, staying focused. And Forex, requires you to stay focused and disciplined. Your emotions have to be in check, and you have to keep a positive mindset. You have to keep a positive mindset. If you're staying positive about trading, then positive results will happen when it comes to trading. And you'll be more successful. Gang. So all these videos is for your psychology. As we'll be going over more videos to help with your psychology game. But this is all for your psychology. Price went down to once price breaks 0.618, it'll go to 0.5. We're waiting for price to go to 0.5 at 1883. Right now, price is at 1888. Fluctuating, and we should see price go to 0.5, 0.382. And it showed us some type of candlestick pattern. Wait for price to when you're trying to sell this, you see this even star pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick, February 17th at the high. Price was all the way up to take profit 10. From take profit 8 to take profit 10. Once we got up here, price will show us some type of candlestick pattern. It showed us the even star pattern. Now let's know price made is going down 0.618. Once price gets 0.618, it won't just keep going lower and lower and lower. No, it will retest back up to 0.786, 0.786, and that took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours. 6, 7, 8 hours just for price to get up here, and then it showed us what, another even star pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick, just like over here, February 17th, 2022, February 18th, 2022. It shows us another even star pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick, downtrend. So we have to stay positive. We have to keep positive thinking, and analyze the market before we get in the trade, and we have to stay optimistic, and build and develop a trading skill that we feel confident with, So we sell at the high, we could have got in for a trade. Once price breaks this trend line, we could have got in for a trade, right here. They got in for a trade, boom, a great trade one. Once price breaks this trend line, wait for price to break this trend line. We see this trend line right here on our Fibonacci from 0.618 to 0.786. And we see this even star pattern 0.786, 0.618. We see this even star pattern. Once price breaks this trend line, we can now get in, for sales, as we're looking for sales now, gang. We're looking for sales now, and this is great trade one. Gang. So I'll be dropping a lot of more videos later on today to help with your psychology and let you know what happened with gold. And we could have gotten at great trade one at 1894, and price now is at 1888, and we're in profit. Once price breaks this trend line, draw your Fibonacci from the swing high to 27 extension to take profit 7, from take profit 10 to take profit 7. And once price breaks this trend line from 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci, shows us some type of even star pattern, showed us a candlestick pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick on a 1 hour, then we can get in. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 hour candlesticks for price to show us an even star pattern. So we have to be extremely patient. Once price breaks this trend line, you can get in. You can get into the market right now, as gold is going down right now, and this is like a free signal, and I'll be dropping more free signal for y'all, gang, to help y'all make money in this market. And the more that we focus, and the more that we practice, the better we'll become at trading. So I'm doing all these videos to motivate y'all, gang. And I'm gonna be doing a lot more to motivate y'all and help y'all make money in this market, gang. Got you. To help you improve and stay focused. So we're gonna keep on improving and staying focused. And building good trading strategies and sticking to our trading strategy. We getting at the high. Once price breaks this downtrend, you can see price is making what? Structured. Lower lows, made a lower low of 0.618 Fibonacci, and then made a lower high. And what? Making a lower low, we're in a downtrend, this is extremely important, game, extremely important. Wait for price to, we have to use everything, gang, to help us make money in this market. Trend line, Fibonacci, you sell when price is at the high. Once price breaks this trend line, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours for price to retrace back to 0.786. Once price got to 0.786, it showed us this even star pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick. This 3 triple candlestick pattern, it's 3 candlestick pattern, even star pattern, and then once it broke this trend line, it let us know, okay, and even star pattern, it let us know that price is in a downtrend, and now we're in a downtrend. All right, gang. So when it comes to trading and live trading, you have to put all this into factors. As stress builds up, and it can lead to bad decisions. So I'm gonna keep dropping more videos to help y'all make good decisions. In this market, you have to think, and think and have a thought process before you make an action in this market. You just can't just jump in this market without thinking. And I'm gonna be dropping a lot of more videos for you, gang, to help with trading. As trading comes with a lot of emotions. When you're in this trade, it's just you in this market, and when you're trading. So I'm gonna help you with this game more and more. All right, gang. All right, gang.